Hi there, this is Nikita and welcome to, to this short little video about this Varta Head Lamp, head torch, however you want to call it. It was, deemed as the professional line, and I would agree that it is quite nice. It's supposedly, going by the packaging, a sports model. I don't know about that. I can say it's very handy, and to illuminate the scene at the moment I'm using my favorite normal torch, and hopefully you can see that at least a little bit, that I bought at Edeka a couple of years back in Germany, which is very nice. However, this one is nicer because it not only has a tight beam, as you can see right here, which does have a little bit of a hot spot. It also has a wide beam, which is quite fluent, and it also has a nice little red spot for map reading. Won't say this is quite handy. I haven't used it for that, but I would assume it's for that. And when you have it on your head, it is, cantable. Is that proper English word for it? I would say so. So you can basically, aim it to where you are looking, which is very handy. Now, this takes free AAA battery, so it is not in parallel but in series, so that's either, it should be 4.5 volts, which is quite a bit more than just the one battery that is in the Edeka one. But if I can open it up, and it is a little bit finicky to open up because you have to, fiddle around with it a little bit. Let's see, can I open it up? No, not really. Yeah, there it is. Right, I put some fresh batteries from IKEA in this for this demonstration and test. And let's demonstrate it quite properly and put it on my head and just show you how nice the spread pattern of, the white beam is at least. Right. I'm currently using, the wide beam setting, and this is that wonderful spotlight. And if you can take a look at the tree, it is properly illuminated. Going a little bit further, it's illuminated as well, and I don't know if it will be picked up on camera properly, but the white beam is quite nice in itself. And let's take a quick gander to the canting. If I can do that with my hands, yes. So this would be more ideal for my head, although I am seeing a little bit of my nose illuminated, which can be annoying. And this is then facing downward for map reading, or something like that. Yeah, this would be more ideal for that. But with the spotlight, this is quite nice. Right. So, with that, I'm saying I'm quite content with this Varta headlight, and this is Nikita Net saying thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.